Hi everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. So today I am showing you how to make this gorgeous see-through shaker quilling card. And can you see these lovely quilling flowers made using very different technique, and can you see the message from outside which is written on the card. So the shaker is completely transparent. So let's get started. First I'm taking this 120 GSM white color sheet and I'm going to stick these pink and peach color strips one by one. So this measures 1 by 14 centimeters. And I'm going to stick these strips on white paper. This cardstock strip is having 250 GSM thickness. So I'm just making the alternative design using pink and peach strips for the background of the card. So just complete sticking these strips. In the same way I will stick remaining strips. So this is done, and now I'm just fussy cutting the excess paper around the pattern. And this is done. Now I'm just finding out the center of this pattern. So I'm marking exactly on the 7 centimeters. This whole sheet is approximate 14 by 14 centimeters. So from the both the sides I'm marking on 7 and we got our center point. Now using the center point and 3.5 centimeter radius, I'm making one circle using rounder, and now we just need to cut this circle. So after cutting the circle we will have this kind of shape, and now it's time to make our shaker window. So here first I'm going to attach one acetate sheet circle from back side. This is little larger from the inner circle, so the acetate sheet circle is having 4 centimeter radius. So to stick acetate sheet I am using B6000 glue. And this is done. Now here I have added some rings of cardstock which is having 4.5 centimeter radius, and the inner radius is 3.5 centimeters. And in total I have added 6 to 7 rings to make a thick ring for our shaker. And on top of this ring also I am going to attach one acetate sheet circle. And on this I am adding one golden colored scallop ring for the finishing. Now it's time to add some elements inside the shaker. So here I am adding diamond dust and white color flower pearls. I'm not adding too much, just little bit. Now just adding normal craft glue and sticking with my base. So the cute shaker card is ready. Super duper beautiful. Now here I am taking one white color cardstock base. This measures 30 by 15 centimeters. I have just folded this in half and created one circle on outer side which is having 3.5 centimeter radius, and exactly in the center I have stamped birthday wishes sentiment. Now to decorate this circle from inside, I am adding this gold color ring just for the finishing. This ring is made using gold mirror cardstock. And then I am adding my shaker card on top of our card base. And this is done. Now it's time to make quilling flowers. So to create first flower, I am taking this bottle cap of my glue which is having 1 centimeter diameter, and here I am taking one strip of dark pink color and wrapping it around the bottle cap to make a ring. For today's project I am using 3 mm strips only, and my one strip length is 45 centimeters. Now I'm just pinching on both the sides and making a leaf kind of shape. Now for the next flower petal I am taking my pencil and wrapping half strip of dark pink color around this and again making a leaf shape. Like this. Now for the next shape I am taking my pen and wrapping half strip of yellow color around this and making one teardrop shape. Then for the next shape again I am taking my pencil and wrapping half strip of yellow color and making one teardrop shape. And for the leaf I am taking again same pencil and wrapping half strip of dark green color and making one leaf shape. So all the shapes are ready. Now I am taking white color cardstock and sticking these shapes on top of this using glue. Allow it to dry completely, then we will color it. So I'm starting with the pink color petal, and for this I'm taking light pink and dark pink color watercolors and just doing some shading only in the center part of the petal using my brush. For the base I am using watercolor sheet so that we can easily do our shading work. Now for the yellow petal I am taking first lemon yellow watercolor and then I will add little orange for darker tone. And for the leaf I am using light green color first and then adding little dark green at the end for darker tone. So the coloring is done. Now I'm just fussy cutting the excess paper around the petals. and our petals are ready. So I'm starting with assembling my first big flower, and I'm here adding total 5 petals of same size and making the flower. For the center of the flower, I'm taking one strip of yellow color and making one tight coil. So flower is ready. In the same way, I will create remaining flower and leaf. So here I have prepared all my flowers and leaves. So we need 2 big flowers, 4 yellow flowers, 4 pink flowers, and total 8 leaves. So designs are done. Now taking back my card, and first I am adding these 2 beautiful corner designs on left and right sides of corners of the card. And then I will start assembling my quilling flowers. This is very unique idea of making quilling flowers. Usually we do lots of quilling using our quilling tool, but this time I have decided why not to make our quilled flower with little coloring, that is watercoloring, and the outcome is super duper pretty. I liked this idea so much. I was just trying one of the petal during my practice session, and I discovered this idea and decided to make one video for you guys. And I hope you have learned the new technique of making quilling flowers from this tutorial. See how lovely the combination is looking of yellow and pink color. Very vibrant. Now in between I'm just sticking some leaves here and there. The green color is contrasting pink and yellow color very much, and it is making our composition complete. Like this. Allow it to set. Then I'm just randomly adding some 5 mm half cut pearl here and there just for little decoration. And our cute see-through shaker card is ready with the unique quilling flowers. You can write some extra message if you wish. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos, and please click on bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.